in this meditation, let's spend the time thinking of your attachment, especially attachment to the past. And maybe unconsciously we always use attachment to the past as an excuse. So in this meditation, we examine our life carefully. We look back the past and focus on suffering or pain you experience before, like Mr. Master. So remember your pain or suffering you experience. And maybe there must be any kind of attachments. So find your attachment. So if you become aware of your attachment, so we can eliminate, we can let them go. So this is first meditation. And then finally we're going to have spiritual conversation with your guardian angel. So guardian angel is assigned to everyone. Everyone has your guardian angel. So there are many names of this spirit. Guardian spirit, guardian angel, or guiding spirit. So it depends on spiritual philosophy or religion. But no matter what this spirit is called, we have our own spirit. So, and if we meditate and enter into deep meditative state, so we can contact with our own guardian angel. So today, finally, we receive the message from our own guardian angel. Especially after this kind of meditation, so this is a self-reflection, reflecting on your past and let go of your attachment. You're going to be very pure and spiritual, and very easily to receive the spiritual message from your guardian angel. Okay? So about 10 minutes, both.